Okay, what's up, fellow life forms? I am Captain Zach, and today we are here playing...
life form this?
What?
Just assume my race.
My existence?
What is up, fellow life forms? Yeah, I'm here with my friends.
We are the Recordicon acting troupe.
We do stuff.
Occasionally, but mostly we just loaf around.
Basically, the team.
We're kind of like the pirates who don't do anything except we're not pirates.
Yeah.
So we do even less.
I'm getting some real.
Oh, friend.
Hi, Golden Freddy.
We're getting lag from how awesome it is.
Alright, I'm lagging.
I'm just gonna sit here with my bro,
I'm not
Golden
dead.
Freddy. I'm just gonna like sit here.
Hey.
That is not your brother. That is.
Yeah, but he's literally
You haven't seen-
next to
have
me.
you
He's
seen-
sitting next to me.
Have you seen the birth certificate?
Spyro and Golden Freddy, brothers. And that's gonna become a fan thing. Watch.
Go get the remote. Go get the remote.
Death blocks.
I'm lagging, hold on.
Death blocks. That means it's gonna creep in towards the center, meaning Cade is doing something very dumb.
Oh,
Cade, get the heck away from me.
No!
Hey, huh.
If he takes you out, he takes himself out too.
Yeah, I'm coming with you, but I didn't die though.
What?
Okay, so I'm sort of. Nope. Hold on.
Digging myself this way. This way. It's me, Mario.
No. You're not killing me, Freddy.
Why is my Spyro in fly form?
I'm not killing me. I'm not dying by Freddy. I'm not dying by Freddy.
You're gonna die by your own hand.
Oh no.
Planted a bomb.
Remember me as I was!
No, never.
Remote bomb.
At least get the remote bomb.
I'm trapped. No.
Oh hey.
I hate you.
How do I use a remote bomb?
My freaking Spyro's face looks like he just seen everything happen all at once. Like,
I won.
are you looking from a top-down view?
Go down here. Go down here. I'm gonna
Okay.
get us out of here.
Z, are you looking at a top-down view?
No, I'm looking at it from.
I'd
the
run
back.
if I were you, Magic.
Now
That's
go to
where
the
you're
right.
supposed to be.
Can't run.
The
Yeah,
right.
because I killed you.
I'm terrible at this. I need help.
Oh, I got myself deaded.
Come on.
Unicron, there's a
I got
Yeah,
you.
I stopped recording.
got
This,
him.
this is getting bad. I need to figure out how to fix this.
Alright.
I might have to restart the. Do you think I
Yeah.
That screen is a bit nuts, but
I'm restarting. I'm restarting the game. Restarting.
okay, don't be.
Gave me a
lost.
freaking heart attack!
Oh
no.
no! A time
I
limit.
win.
Do you have a bomb kick? No, you don't.
Remember me.
Who was that? Who was that just died?
Shiny Ember.
You died. Your face died.
I did.
No, it did.
Shiny
Your
Ember.
mom died.
Let us
Okay,
all
wait.
remember my
Your
face.
mom
It
died.
is dead. It
I don't want
died.
to say your mom died because that would mean my mom. I
Oh,
like my mom.
brothers. The Brothers Grimm. Smashed, broken, and sunk. Captain Z?
I don't recall being the Brothers Grimm.
Smashed, broken, and sunk.
That's why
you
Captain
gotta love
Z
those
and I are now awesome friends.
No.
I don't. Okay.
Those three dumb lorries.
The three lorries.
You can't have my friend because he's my friend. Just kidding.
Hey.
Oh, since you're playing Melon Bomber, like this. Oh, dude, remember the last time we played Melon Bomber?
Sure.
Where we had the hats and stuff?
Totally.
Where I have bucket. And then Unicron had an axe.
Oh my god. Oh my Jesus.
Collateral.
What? Show me. What did I miss?
You
I
can
don't
watch
know.
my video and see.
Shameless plug.
I'm trying to
Seamless
join
plug.
in my map.
Friend. Wait, can I dance?
No, you're trying to be
I can't
Frankenstein there.
I'm too white. It wasn't that funny.
I got it! I think it was just different than yours.
I love you guys so much, man.
Oh, I love you too.
I'm white.
Is that the new version of?
Is that the new version of I love you too? I'm white.
That's so much better than it being the replacement for I'm in Pacific.
Hello.
Hello!
Don't mind me.
You know what? Let's just make a truce, Umbreon. Umbreon
Okay.
friend. We're both adorable little Marky Moos. Let's run. Let's
Marky
just not
Moos.
kill each other.
Hello. No!
Yeah, we're both now Markiplier.
I'm lagging.
I am too.
Oh, now I'm dead, and there are watermelons in front of me. Hello, watermelons.
Markiplier.
I won. I found a bug. I found a bug. I found a bug.
Just gonna hang out right here.
Hello.
That is my power up.
Hello. Is anybody there? Hello.
Hi.
Nobody home.
I like that.
Right before I go to sleep. Alright, 10. I can't. In the middle of something.
Oh god.
Dang it.
Okay. Free power up.
Alright.
I set myself to first person and instead I'm over the shoulder, so what the hell?
GG.
Did you set your game mode to Melon Bomber?
Yeah, is it set to Melon Bomber?
Good luck.
No, I did it in a sandbox thing. Sorry. Melon
Yeah.
Bomber.
Hello, friend.
Zone.
Hi,
Alright, I'm in. Let's hope my GMod don't crash.
but you're white.
We're up right there.
No, ladies.
No, seriously,
I'm yellow. I'm a
Matt,
Lego. I'm a Lego person. I'm
Wait.
yellow.
when
Hello.
GMod doing errors,
This isn't gonna
don't
end, is it?
crash.
Ever?
Okay, so for some reason I am.
Oh!
Dang it.
I had simple third person on the whole time. I am stupid. I must
Good
die.
job. Okay, Unicron, let's not. Oh, I just see you, Wendy, just like barreling.
Oh yeah, I just her body
Okay.
weight.
What? What did you say?
I'm just perfect!
I trusted you, Sam.
Perfectly normal thing that people
Oh,
say.
dude,
right?
you
Don't
Over
trust
over
me.
here.
Okay, why am I lagging so much?
Wait, I have multiple bombs and remotes.
Unicron, your face is
Where
through
am
the
I?
wall!
Am I dead? I think I'm dead.
Unicron, your body's facing through the wall.
I know. What is up with yours? It's black.
But Wendy,
No, no, It's a tie.
There is no victory.
I'm slow.
Henry Paul.
Hi.
Oh, crap, get away from
let's
that.
Let's not.
And I killed myself.
Yay for killing yourself!
Hooray!
The way to solve all world problems.
Yeah,
Good job, Magic.
I just came
Holy
up with
crap! Freaking collateral damage. We should just name ourselves the Crazy Cons.
Yes, you are all crazy, and you're all Decepticons.
The Crazy
But
Cons.
I'm an
instead.
Autobot.
But I'm an Autobot.
Nope, now you're a Decepticon.
I like turtles.
But Autobot.
Okay, we're the crazy shattered glass Decepticons. That's analogous to Autobot.
What does shattered glass even mean? What does that mean?
It's
Why do I say
a
that?
Yeah.
It's the mirror universe.
Where everything.
Ah.
It's the mirror universe. It's like
Everyone is
Star
the
Trek
opposite.
mirror universe. Everyone's evil is good, and everyone good is evil.
Who's
Don't
talking about
expect
Unicron?
me to know mirror universe from Star Trek.
Ooh, Unicron.
No, but seriously though, that Shattered Glass Unicron, or not Unicron, Megatron, Shattered Glass Megatron evac repaint though.
That's
Gonna blow
Galvatron.
up a big thing.
Oh, Galvatron.
Yeah,
The
Megatron
thing from the
reformatted
movie?
into Galvatron.
Yeah,
This time via Primus instead of Unicron.
The thing from
Of
the
course.
movie. Yeah, look at his corpse. Oh.
Someone knock off the box that jet.
No!
There you go. No.
I don't know what happened, but it was in my favor. I am satisfied.
Wait, where am I?
Hi.
I'm right. No.
Get
no,
wrecked.
I get that. You get that. Nope. Nope, I ain't dying today.
Okay,
I ain't dying today.
Umbreon, we are teaming. Okay, we're teaming.
Okay, let's team.
Are
Let's
we
team.
not gonna sacrifice each other like last time?
Hope not this time.
Good.
Hello.
Hello, friend. How are you?
Hello.
I'm trying to kill Magic.
Don't kill Magic. She's helping. She's helping. She's on our team. She's on our team. She is good.
What team? Why are teams?
I'm not on
why
a team
was
with
I
you guys.
not-
I'm with Embryo.
Guys, why was I not invited to the party?
No, no, no! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! I'm good guy.
Magic just killed herself.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh, shoot.
Eat bombs! Eat bombs! Derp
Oh,
die.
Unicron!
Remember me as I was.
Oh no, you guys!
And don't remember magic.
Don't remember Magic.
It's got a super bomb.
No, why, no, no, no!
Get away from that one.
It won't let me move. It won't let me move.
I'm evil.
This game gets so
I
intense.
just love that.
What? Why did I spawn behind
that
me?
cackle, and then
Magic, get out of the way.
Oh,
I killed myself!
wait, I won? Ah!
Right into that.
I killed myself! I killed myself!
GG,
I
mate.
am so evil!
I'm lonely over my own corner.
Oh
I see
no.
Shadow.
Dalek went Sonic.
Who changed their flame out of the Shadow?
out of the vortex. Oh god.
Shadow the
he has a
Hedgehog.
super
The
bomb.
Hedgehog.
You doomed us both.
I
Oh
did,
my god.
I did!
I just see Shadow's body appear on my frame.
Suicide bomber! I suicide bombered your face off!
I suicide bombered with an ED, like at the tip here.
I'm so evil! Someone kill the other one. And while you're at it, blow my face up, please. Blow my dead body to... blow me...
Yes, just
Don't blow me up.
I died next to my doggy! I died next to my doggy.
I don't recall
My
agreeing to
God.
these terms. Since when am I enslaved to you?
How did that kill me? How did that kill me?
I don't
How
know!
could it not? Why-
I don't know. I was spectating magic.
What's all these between headshot for you?
Oh, I'm lagging.
Cody? Hey, you've been renamed Cody.
Dum 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 dum
Fallen
dum 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 diddle dum dum diddle dum dum diddle. You're dumb.
Alright, Freddy.
Ah!
I have.
I did! I got magic!
Where am I? Am I alive? Am I dead?
Lit.
Oh, I got her so bad she's rage quitting. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh,
Where am I?
I don't know.
Fucking a wall.
Get away from that. Whew.
Right click, boom. No, no, stop stealing all my bombs. No, bad, evil, bad. No, die. Bad, evil,
Are
bad. No,
you
die.
okay? Oh Jesus, Sam! No, bad.
Sam, no bad.
Where?
I
am
had 8
I'm
bombs
still
again.
lagging.
Go get that. Go get that. It's a super bomb. Super bomb.
I did it. I got.
Yeah, you just got a super bomb. That. Get away from that. That thing is incredibly huge.
No,
Go get that the bomb. That's a kick. You can kick bombs away from you.
okay,
How many
Okay,
bombs?
I
Wait, how
just
many
said-
melons do you have?
okay. I have total 7 bombs.
Me
You
too.
can get 2 more. Oh my god, who is just stacking them over there?
That was me. Now I got a super bomb.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, Sam and
Oh my
Sam and
god!
Dad are right next to each other.
Yes,
I
yes, we are.
died. I died.
Oh, hi.
Oh,
team,
I'm in
team, team,
Oh,
I'm in the H.
team.
Welcome.
Work together on this. Get away from that. Get away from that.
gotta go
No.
faster. Go faster. Yeah. Hello, friend.
Hello, please do not hurt. Would not like.
What are you, the heavy?
No,
Yes.
am Ivan.
Wait, do you play TF2?
Yeah, he does.
Everyone plays.
We should play sometime.
Yeah. You should really check out me and my buddy Fur from Trainsaw Laser.
No!
Oh,
Why?
I'm dead.
No
Hey Sam, did you know who you were teaming with?
Z?
No.
What? Wait, is there two? There's not two of you, is it?
I think my player model is Kirk.
No.
Oh, don't. I am the Kirk. I'm the one true Kirk.
I am
Yeah,
the
no, because it says it at the bottom.
character.
It says your name at the bottom when I spectate.
I'm the one true Kirk.
I'm
No,
dead.
Ninja, stay away. Stay away, bad
Her name
ninja.
is
She is far away from you.
Call her Windy.
Hello, Vindy.
That's
Windy.
not her name, but we will
It is her
we'll
name.
let
It's her name.
Vin
her name
Diesel?
now.
Vin Diesel.
Oh,
Windy.
Vindy Saints go marching in. Da 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 da. Boom.
Go get those upgrades. They're below you.
Oh my god, man!
She kicked it right to me.
That shot though!
Okay,
Okay,
we're
don't
friends.
hurt, don't hurt, don't hurt. I'm going
No.
up.
I'm going up.
Don't
I'm
literally
going down.
anywhere
I'm going
I
down.
have an H over here.
Down.
I'm going down. Hello.
Hello.
Please get out of the way. I got a power upgrade, so you might get hurt.
Oh, I'm still in.
Okay. This is beneficial. to you.
Why not?
Oh no! I killed myself.
No.
You're alive?
Oh, it's not
Oh, that's
working.
Unicron. That's Unicron. God damn it. Change your your player model back.
Oh right.
We only need one Kirk. The one true.
I was
Kirk.
wanting us both to spawn near each other and just be two Kirks.
Okay, you know what? Next
Don't
time, if I run
him,
into your face and it's Kirk, it's gonna be Kirk versus Kirk, like the original series. Bam, 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 bam.
Oh, GG.
Guys,
Yes, it is.
somebody in my cooking class today was singing that stove song from SpongeBob.
I thought she was gonna say somebody once told her the world was gonna own her and she ate the chunk to him in the shed.
Fez.
I didn't feel like that way.
Oh, no. Don't hurt me,
I'm
Bob.
doing good at that.
Please, baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? What is love? Baby, don't hurt me.
Don't hurt me.
No more.
Okay, guys, I have
Wait,
to...
how did I kill myself?
Unicron, what was that command from earlier you had set?
What command?
That bind you were telling Z?
Oh, that was the command for the player model thing. Selector.
Yeah, I want to figure that out. How do you... What do you
I did it as bind P player model _ selector.
No hurt, please.
Hold on,
Alright.
I gotta fix my
Oh
player
my god, purple
Oh, hi
Teletubby.
there.
Oh no!
Well, no,
That's gotta
it's
be
not for you.
Unicron.
It's a purple
Don't kill me.
Teletubby.
Don't kill me. I
I'm not
gotta fix my player model.
What? What? No, no. The lag is against me.
Kill the Teletubby. Death to the evil purple Teletubby.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Bye.
Technically, from this angle, I look like a tattletale.
It kinda
Tattletale.
does feel... Oh my god. You just
There
came
we
by
go.
to check you out, Z.
Got it.
Sweet.
Hello. Please die
Bye.
now. Thank you.
I'm good.
Oh,
That please.
oh.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh shoot! Jeez, I'm so glad I had kickable bombs there. How did I
Get
not
out of
die?
there. Get out of there, Spyro.
Get away from that.
Nope, 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 nope. Sammy! Sammy, why? Why did you betray me? Why?
Oh, that killed me too! That killed me!
I went sailing.
Let's go.
I forgot how powerful my bombs were at the time. God.
Bye,
Hey,
friend.
he's gone. Okay, bye-bye. No one likes you now. Bye-bye.
Oh my god.
No, 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 don't kill me.
No, seriously, dude. I'm not kidding.
I was gonna change to a Kirk.
We know.
Nope, nope.
So we can be the
Death logs have
fastest.
started. Death logs have started.
Have you ever
Oh,
wanted to
no.
throw
See,
explosives in the
hold
way
the
of
trail.
children?
Like that one.
In
That
need.
trail.
Have you ever just wanted to kill yourself?
Yeah, me too.